morning, Cardinals. Welcome back to another great day and week here at Nedros Elementary. Today is Monday, January 26th, 2026. No birthdays in our school today, but a couple notable birthdays on our National Day calendar. It is Ellen DeGeneres' birthday today, if you've seen the Ellen Show. And teachers, a couple that you may recognize, it would be Paul Newman's birthday today and Eddie Van Halen's birthday today. So a couple notable people that you may recognize. Lunch today, we had a lunch switch. It was originally supposed to be quesadillas. It is going to be chili and cornbread muffins today and quesadilla and chips tomorrow. Breakfast tomorrow morning will still be pancakes. Let's talk weather a little bit. Partly cloudy. It is a little bit warm enough that we get to go outside today. High of about 20 degrees. Still cold though. It's North Dakota winter, so make sure we are still bundling up. All right, we have not done a Monday morning message for quite some time because I was gone and then we didn't have school on Monday. So here we are on January 26th doing, is it our first Monday morning message? I don't know. We might have had one right away. So this week's Monday morning message focuses on the word inclusion. Okay, inclusion. So, inclusion is something that helps everyone feel safe and valued. Inclusion means making sure everyone feels welcome and belongs. It looks like inviting someone to play, sitting with someone who's sitting alone, listening when others speak, and being kind to people who may be different from us. Look around your classroom right now. Do people have different features, different characteristics, different personality traits, right? Nobody is the same. Everybody has different things going on. When we include others that are different, we show that everyone matters. Our school is strongest when we lift each other up and make room for everyone. This week, look for someone new to talk to, someone to help, or someone to invite in. Let's make our school a place where everyone feels accepted, respected, and included. Have a kind and inclusive Monday. All right, that is our Monday morning message for the week. A couple things going on. We have got North Dakota State, NDA Plus assessment going on this week, okay? Now, this isn't the big final one at the end of the year, but this is the one that we take midway through the year. You took one of these earlier in the year. Now we get to take the one you did then, and when we're done this week, we get to take the one you do this week, and we get to look at them together. And my favorite part of that is we get to see how much you have grown already this year. So, as your principal, and from your teachers, I am just really encouraging you. I'm not going to beg because it's your test, right? If you want it to look like you haven't grown, well, so be it. But guess what? We want to see that you've grown. So I am going to ask you to really, truly take your time, do your very best on this. Read the choices. I know your teachers are doing an excellent job of teaching you all this stuff. So now it is your job to show that you are doing your part in learning it, okay? So I'm really excited as these start to come in this week to take a look at some of that and see how much you guys have grown. You should be excited about that too. All right, we've got a couple other things coming up. I'm gonna hold off on telling you those. So we're gonna have a little assembly on Friday over here at the K3 building, 4-5. You guys are gonna do it a little bit different, but we'll talk about that more as the week comes. All right. Before we go on the National Day calendar today, there's a couple fun ones. It's National Spouses Day. I know students, none of you have a spouse, right? What is a spouse, you might wonder? A husband or a wife. But teachers, I guess this is a day we can celebrate, right? Tell your spouse you appreciate them. It is National Green Juice Day, if you like anything like that. And maybe one of my favorites, it's National Bubble Wrap Day. Do you like popping bubble wrap? I sure do. So, all right, that's it. I hope everybody has a fantastic day. Remember to always show great cardinal character. You may go ahead and stand for the pledge.